Hello, welcome back to the next session of maplio, and my name is Lawrence Bass, and I am the founder of Syntax and the creator of maplio. And today I want to demonstrate to you image sharing and notifications across connected devices within a session. So I'll just orientate you here as to our relative position. So show you how this works. So we can do user search, and we can see users, and we can see the relative distance of users relative distance between users. And so as I move, this should update in real time, and that all works very nicely. So we've now got 3 users that are in fairly close proximity with each other, and I'm going to demonstrate how they can share images with each other. So I've added in a new screen that's just allows us to easily take photos. So this is on the desktop, but on the mobile, we have the option of using the outward-facing or the user camera. So for having fun with selfies in the fields, option there. But there's also applications for taking photos, sharing documents, and we can also share documents as well. So if I just take a snap, so I've created this reasonably streamlined interface where I can take a photo and store it, and that should pop up simultaneously on everyone's maps. That's great, and you can see that that's worked, so I'll just highlight that with the mouse there. So that came up on the maps. Now, if I was to take more photos, so the photo hasn't been committed there, so I can take as many photos as I like, and you can see that that's just recorded to the camera, which is great. So if I record, if I save another photograph, what I should find is automatic clustering, and I just move my guy out of the way. You should see now that we've got a marker cluster there, and that's worked quite nicely. So what I'm going to do is show how that marker clustering just works automatically. So in this instance, I'm going to take another photo there, save that. Now what we should find, and that should happen with or without that screen open, yeah. So what we find now is that at a certain zoom level, the cluster's split, which is exactly what we would expect. So if I move around this area, and so photo, snap and save that. That's fine. And so you can see that the marker clustering is just working automatically, and that's being updated by React in real time. So you could use that to see where concentrations of activity, so it doesn't necessarily just have to be photos. With documents, it can be any form of activity where the user wants to notify others of some form of event or notification. And we can create heat maps of activity, which can be used for a multitude of applications by a wide section of leisure and business users. So if I just take another one here and snap that photo and save that photo, and that should pop up on our map. So we can see that we've got reasonable level clustering working there, so that works in this way. Now if I go in, we should find that we've got identical maps, and that's all working absolutely fine. You can see also that the notifications are working. So as these activities take place, so I'll just zoom out there so we can see our other guys. What I want to show you now is that this happens across users. So I'll just pop in there, take a photo, save that, and that should pop up on our map next to our user, and there we go. And I do the same thing here, and record, save, and that's great. So obviously we can start forming clusters if we save more than one. So this is using leaflet marker clusters. And so what that means is that we automatically get spiderifying of the markers. So where markers are all in the same place, we get this effect. So you can see what's been deposited at different points on the map. So that is pretty much, it's nice and simple. There's some complex stuff going on underneath, most of it written by other contributed modules. But that's pretty much all there is to market clustering. So those clusters can be clusters of anything, and that can be images, as we've got here. It can also be videos, it can even be live streams, and that's one thing that we're looking at in the future, is having live streams and live stream notices occurring on maps, so that people can see not only one-to-one video, which is currently working, but broadcast messages from individual users to both participants and spectators on these maps. Thanks for watching. Bye.